Good afternoon once again, my dear students. Good afternoon, very good afternoon. Okay, so in the last class we completed till here, right? We discussed about the what did we discuss last class? We discussed about the places, right? We discussed about Great Wall of China, these places, right? We have discussed, inshallah. Yes, now today we are going to.
I did not attend.
Yes, beta, you should see the class recording, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So last class, what? Okay. Do you want me to go through it once again? Okay, no problem. It will, yes, it will take just 5 minutes. Okay, inshallah. I'll start from the beginning. Okay, just a gist I'll give you. Okay, in short, I'll tell you. So in the last class, we discussed about the names of towns, cities, buildings, landmarks, and we pronounced the spellings. Right, Aisha? You were there with us, right? When we were pronouncing the spellings. Yes.
No.
But you missed when I discussed about this, right? Yes. So
Yes.
we discussed about Egypt, beta. Yes. So Egypt is a place. We discussed about this, right? So what did I tell you
Yes.
about Egypt? That the desert in Egypt, it has very less rainfall. Yes. Can you see the land? And it is very difficult to grow crops also. So in the desert region, mostly you don't find crops. Why, beta? You don't find trees, crops. Why? Because there is very less or little rainfall in this region. And what is the mode of transportation? As you can see the screen, in the screen, yes, people use
Camel.
camel. Yes. So when they are traveling in the desert areas, they use camels. And I also told you about Islamic history of this area, right? In our mother tongue, what do we call it? Misr bolte hain. Okay, Egypt. Okay, one of our prophet, yes, Musa alayhi salam, went to Egypt. He was he was made the prophet by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he then he was told, Musa alayhi salam was told to go to Egypt and spread Islam in that region, in this region. Yes. So we also heard about the ruler of the Egypt, right? Pharaoh. Yes, Pharaoh was the ruler in Egypt. Okay, and he was very cruel towards other people. He used to beat other people and very cruel towards other people. So then Almighty, we also heard about the punishment, right? How was the punishment given to Pharaoh? He was drowned in the water. Yes, the Almighty Allah split the sea into two parts and saved whom? Musa alayhi salam, Prophet Musa alayhi salam, and the people, Bani Israel or Banu Israel. Okay, the tribe of Bani Israel. The Almighty Allah saved them, and Pharaoh or Pharaoh, he was drowned in the same water. Okay, so that is the Islamic history of Egypt. Yes. Any doubts, beta? Aisha and others?
No.
Okay. So next we discuss about London. Okay. Yes. Yes. So we discussed that about London. London is the capital of England. Okay. London is the capital of England, and it is the London is the smallest city in England. Yes. And we have also I have shown you pictures also, right? What is this? In London, we have skyscrapers and we have Big Ben. Yes, Big Ben in London. And what is this? London Bridge.
London Bridge.
Yes,
Bridge.
London Bridge. Big Ben. Can you see over here? This is known as Clock Tower, beta. Big Ben. And now what is it known as? It is known as Elizabeth Tower. Now it is known as Elizabeth Tower. I told you, you forgot. Okay. First it was known as, nickname was Big Ben or Clock Tower bolte the. Now it is known after the Queen as Elizabeth Tower. Okay. Yes. And this is, what is this? skyscraper. Can you see the spotlight I'm showing here? Skyscrapers. I also told you that in London and in many countries we have skyscrapers also, right? So what is skyscraper? Inshallah, I have a picture to show you. I'll explain you. Skyscrapers are nothing but tall buildings, okay, with multiple floors. Are you listening, children? Yes. And I also told you this is Ferris wheel, okay, giant wheel, okay, in London. And what is this? This is London Bridge, which is on the River Thames, on the banks of River Thames. Now, yes, we have discussed about this also. Big Ben. Yes, very good. Clock Tower. Where is it, beta? In London, England. Okay.
Now it's called Elizabeth Tower.
Very good, very good. Okay. And can you see over here clock on this tower? And after every hour, you can hear the sound. Okay. The sound of the clock striking the gong, striking the clock, pendulum. How we have in pendulum clocks. After every hour, you will hear a sound, right? Okay. In the same way, after every every hour, we can hear the sound. Okay, if we are far away also, we can hear the sound of this clock tower. Now next we have, okay, what do we have over here? This is London Bridge, beta, okay? The Big Ben is here. This is London Bridge. This is a river, beta, okay? This is the River Thames, okay? On the river it is located. Inshallah, we are going to discuss now. Okay, what is this next?
The Great Wall of China.
Very good. Where is it, beta? Great Wall of China in the picture. Yes, China, Beijing. Very good. Okay, and it was built by whom? Okay, did we discuss about it? Oh, we didn't discuss about it, I guess. Did we discuss? Okay, we discussed that it was built for tourism. It was built. Why was it built, beta? It was built because China had, because the country had many battles on this place. Yes, the Great Wall of China. The Chinese, they had many battles fought in this place, and it was also rebuilt. Rebuilt. Many developments were done to it. Yes, and now tourism. It is also for tourism purpose also. Okay, many tourists, many people come to visit the Great Wall of China, and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Yes, it is one of the 7
wonders of the world.
Very good. Okay. Now next, we discussed about Beijing, right? Okay, in the place Beijing only, we have Great Wall of China, okay? Yes, and what is Beijing, my dear children? Beijing is the capital of which country?
China.
Very good. Like, what is the capital of India?
New
New Delhi. Very good, my dear children. In the same way, yes, beta. The capital of China is Beijing. Okay. So Beijing is the smallest city or largest city in China? Largest city. Okay. Largest city. Okay. Beijing is the largest city. China ki bahut. Okay. It is largest city, beta. Okay. With many people, many population is there. It is very big. Okay. So largest city. And what are the dishes, beta? Chinese dishes. What do the people, what is the dishes, common dishes in this place? People of China. Noodles. And what else? White rice, chicken, sushi. Okay. Sushi. These are the things they have. Okay. And what is the thing they use, beta, for eating? Do they use spoons or chopsticks?
Chopsticks.
Very good. Okay, all the Chinese people. Okay, Beijing is a place in China, beta, capital of China. Okay, so all the people of China, they use chopsticks to have their food while they have their meals. Okay, and now next, what is this?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Hong Kong is in London. China, very good. I was giving the wrong answer and testing you. Okay, very good, beta. Okay, you can see over here also, right? Hong Kong. Oh, I'm sorry. In the map, we can see, right? Where is it on the map? Okay, wait a minute. I didn't tell you about this. Can you see, beta? How long is it? How long is the Great Wall of China? Can you see this lines over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this line, this curved lines drawn, this all is nothing but Great Wall of China, beta. It is 13,000 miles in length. Itna lamba hai wo, okay? Yes? Okay, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is, can you see on the map? Where is Hong Kong, beta? Over
China.
here. Yes, Hong Kong is next to China. China is over here. Hong Kong is over here. Okay. So Hong Kong is a city in China. Okay. Which has how many islands? More than 260 islands are there, beta. Okay. And food also, I have told you, right? The same food. Rice, noodles, that is the food that they have. And what is the language of the people of China?
Chinese.
Very good. Chinese. Okay, and how is the climate over here, beta? Warm and humid. Okay, warm and humid means sometimes it is hot, sometimes it is cold, like that. Okay, now next, can you see over here? I have also shown you, right? The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Taj Mahal of India. Okay, we are familiar with these two, right? The Great Wall of China, we have studied just now. Okay, in the last class also. So we know that one of the 7 wonders is Great Wall of China and Taj Mahal, which is located in India. Okay. Now next, Burj Khalifa. Okay, we didn't discuss this, but why am I showing you? It is not in your portion, but why am I showing you, beta? This is an example of skyscraper. What is this, beta? It is an example of skyscraper. What is?
Skyscraper.
Yes, skyscraper. What is skyscraper? I told you, right?
आसमान को लगता, ma'am.
Yes, it touches the sky. It is near. Yes, near. It is very tall and it has multiple floors. Okay, many floors are there, and it is very tall. Building is there. Then it is known as skyscraper. So where is this, beta? This is very famous. That's why I'm showing you this picture. So what is this, beta? Burj Khalifa. Yes, in Dubai. Okay, it is very famous, beta. Okay, in Dubai, Burj Khalifa. Why is it famous, my dear children? Because it is the tallest building in Dubai. Okay, it comes on first number. Okay, सबसे जो दुबई में पहली tallest building है वो Burj Khalifa है. Okay, the first tallest building that is in Dubai is Burj Khalifa. Then we have other things. Okay, and it is also tallest building and structure in the world. Okay, so Burj Khalifa is not only the tallest building in Dubai, but the tallest building in the world. Okay, yes. And how many floors does it have, my dear children? It has 163 floors. 163. Okay, 163 floors. Yes. And what else, my dear children? And it is 828 828 meters in height, beta. What is the height? It is 828 meters. Okay, that much tall it is.
28.
Now next, see over here, beta. Concentrate in the class.
163 class.
Yes. Now next, what is this?
We could.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Yes, we discussed this, right?
Inside the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yes.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yes. So what is the name of the place, beta? Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. So I told you that it is Bent, right? Can you see? Is it straight, beta? Is this tower straight? No, it is bent. Okay, it is leaning. That is why it is named as leaning, beta. Leaning का मतलब क्या होता है? It is bent. Okay, slightly bent. Yes. Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Do you know the reason, beta?
No.
Okay, I'll tell you. Because of its unstable foundation. Was it Leaning Tower of Pisa? Pisa. It's in is a place called Italy, beta. Okay, where is this, beta? In Italy. Okay. Yes, in Italy there is a place called Pisa. There it is. Okay. So was it built now? Is it built now? In
No.
2000 or no, right? It was built before, right? So because when it was built, beta, earlier it was built, right? So when it was built, it was not properly built, unstable foundation, okay? Because it was not built properly, because of that, the building, it caused the building to lean, okay? That's why it is known as Leaning Tower of Pisa. And it is this is known as 4-degree lean also, beta. This lean is known as. Okay, now next. Beta, don't draw on the screen. Okay, so today we are going to discuss now about the
names of mountains, rivers,
lakes. Yes. Yes. Now all of you are going to repeat after me. First, we read out the first one. Thames. Thames. T-H-A-M-E-S. Thames. All of you repeat after me. T-H-A-M. Thames. T, beta, not T, T-H-A-M-E-S. Thames. Okay. Okay, where is the river Thames? It is a river, beta, okay? It is a river. Where is it? Where is it?
I'm disturbing, ma'am.
Yes? All of you quiet, beta. I asked you, where is river Thames? Just now we discussed, right? Where is river Thames? In L. It starts with L. A place that starts with L. We have Big Ben also in that place.
London.
Very good. London. Okay. On this is, what is this? London Bridge. Okay. The London Bridge is located on the banks of River Thames. Then can you see the water over here? This is nothing but River Thames, beta. Okay. So River Thames is in which place, beta? It in a city called as London. Okay. River Thames is in London. Now next, let's move on to the next. Mount Everest. Mount Everest. M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest. E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest. Everest. Once again, M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
M-O-U-N-T, Mount. M-O-U-N-T, Mount Everest.
E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest.
E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest.
Very good. Mount Everest. Inshallah, we'll discuss bit in detail, inshallah. Now we are learning the names, okay? So we'll focus on that. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. We are trying to pronounce and read out the spelling. M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
Everest. All of you, I want all of you to read. Azha, Inaya, Ifra, Aisha. E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest.
E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest.
Once again, M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
M-O-U-N-T, Mount.
Everest. E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest.
Everest.
Very good. Now let's move on to the next. Okay. Is my Canadian lady over here?
Niagara Falls.
Yes. Is my Canadian lady over here?
Niagara
Inaya? Yes, we are waiting.
Falls.
Yes. Inaya will tell me where is Niagara Falls. Where is Niagara Falls, my dear Inaya?
Canada.
Canada. Okay?
Canada.
Canada. Very good. Your friend told, right, about Niagara Falls, that famous waterfalls is there is in Canada. It is known as Niagara Falls. Your friend told this, right? Do you remember? I remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? Yes, very good. Your friend told us about this, right? So let's pronounce the spelling bit, okay? Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Niagara
Falls.
Niagara.
The Niagara.
Niagara. Niagara. बोलिए.
Niagara.
Niagara Falls.
Falls.
F-A-L-L-S. Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Okay. Once again, Niagara. Niagara.
Niagara.
No, beta, A is also there. You're eating the A. Niagara. Niagara.
Niagara. Falls. Falls.
Very good.
Niagara
Repeat
Falls.
once again. Falls. 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 Very good. Very good. Inaya, read out the spelling. Now Inaya will read out. Inaya, read out the spelling for us, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Niagara. Falls. Niagara Falls.
Very good. Now next. Yes, we have seen this. Now let's read out this. What is there in the blue box? Okay. Lake Michigan. L-A-K-E. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Michigan. M-I-C-H-I. M-I-C-H-I-G-A-N. Michigan. Michigan. Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
Very good. Read out the spelling, beta. L-A-K-E. Lake. M-I-C-H-I-G-A-N. Michigan. Michigan. Once again. M-I-C-H-I-G-A-N. Michigan. Lake Michigan.
Lake Michigan.
वही तब पढ़ती भी नहीं क्या भी नहीं क्योंकि पिल्ला से तो
Okay. So once again, we'll read out, beta. L-A-K-E. Lake. Are you listening?
Lake.
Yes, L-A-K-E. Lake. M-I-C-H-I-G-A-N. Michigan. Michigan. Beta, correct the pronunciation, beta. It's Michigan, beta. Okay, I spelled wrongly by mistake. I'm sorry for that. Okay, Michigan. Okay, It's pronounced as sh sound, beta. Okay, Michigan. Okay, not Michigan. Okay, Michigan. Lake Michigan. 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 Okay, sh sound comes, beta, not c sound. Okay, Michigan. Although ch is there, but pronunciation will be Michigan. Michigan. Sh sound. Okay, Michigan.
Michigan.
Very good. Now next we have, yes, Azha, you spell it out, beta. Azha, I can't hear your voice. Yes, Pariye beta, come on, read out the spelling. Wait, I'll zoom in.
L-A-K-E, lake. M-I-C-H-I-G-A-N, Michigan, Lake Michigan.
Misha बोलिए बेटा, Michigan, Michigan, Michigan. Very good. Lake Michigan. Yes, very good.
D-C-H-E, the.
Next, I'll read out beta, okay? Alps. Okay. Now next we have T-H-E, the A-L-P-S, Alps. The Alps. The Alps.
T-H-E, the A-L-P-S,
Alps. A-L-P-S, Alps. The Alps. Okay, inshallah, we'll discuss this also, but I'll show you picture for this. Alps. Okay. These are nothing but the names of rivers, lakes. Okay. So, lakes, rivers, sea. These are the names for this. Inshallah, I'll show you the image for this. Okay. The Alps. A-L-P-S, Alps.
The Alps. A-L-P-S, Alps.
Very good. Once again, read out, beta. A-L-P-S, Alps.
A-L-P-S, Alps.
Once again, read out. A-L-P-S, Alps. Now, next we have T-H-E, the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea. D-E-D, dead. T-H-E, the D-E-A-D, dead. S-E-A-C. The Dead Sea.
T-H-E, the D-E-A-D, that. E-C-E-A, that sea. The Dead Sea.
Very good. Read out once again. T-H-E, the
T-H-E, the
D-E-A-D, dead. S-E-A-C. The Dead Sea.
The Dead
The Dead Sea. Once again, read out. T-H-E, the D-E-A-D, dead. S-E-A-C. The Dead Sea. Ifra, you read out. Ifra, read out.
T-H-E, the D-E-A-D, that. S-E-A-C, the Dead Sea.
Very good. Once again, read out. The Dead Sea.
The Dead Sea.
Yes. Now next is Mount Fuji. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. F-U-G-I, Fuji. Mount Fuji. F-U-G-I is Fuji. Mount Fuji. Aisha, read out loudly. Aisha. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. F-U-J-I, Fuji.
M-O-U-N-T, Mount. F-U-J-I, Mount.
All of you repeat. All of you repeat after Aisha. Yes.
M-O-U-N-T,
Mount.
Mount.
F-U-G-I. All of you repeat, beta. Ilana, Ifra, Aisha, all of you together, beta. M-O-U-N-T, Mount. F-U-J-I, Fuji. Fuji.
Mount Fuji.
Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. We have over here the Himalayas. H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-S. The Himalayas.
The H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-A-S. Himalayas.
S-I-M-A-L-A-Y-S. Himalayas. All of you together read out. The Himalayas.
T-H-I-M-A-L-A-Y-S.
Himalayas.
The Pacific Ocean.
At their own time, read together. साथ में पढ़िए, अलग अलग टाइम पर नहीं, साथ में पढ़िए मिलकर. Okay? HIMALAYS, Himalayas.
HIMALAYAS. The Himalayas.
Once again, THE, the Himalayas. Very good. Now, the next, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific. 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 All of you spell out Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific. बोलिए. Pacific. 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 No.
Pacific.
पहले Pacific स्पेल करिए बेटे. Pacific. Pronounce कीजिए Pacific. 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 Very good. Now read out the spelling. THE, the PACIFIC. Pacific.
The Pacific. OCEAN. The Pacific Ocean.
But once again, the Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific
Azhar, read out, beta. Azhar, Inaya, Azhar, Ifra, all of you read out.
Pacific Ocean.
OCEAN, Ocean.
Ocean. Ocean. Pacific Ocean.
Once again, read out, beta. THE, the PACIFIC. Pacific. OCEAN, Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Come on.
Pacific Ocean.
Well done. Mashallah. Okay, now next is the yellow river. LLO, yellow river. RIVER, river. Okay, the yellow river.
The
yellow
river.
Okay, beta, how do you pronounce yellow? Yellow बोलेंगे.
Yellow.
Yellow. Wait a minute. Asha, all of you quiet. How you are going to pronounce it? I'm saying yellow. The yellow river you are going to say, not yellow. Okay, this will be wrong pronunciation, beta. Okay, yellow नहीं बोलना है, yellow नहीं बोलना है. Okay, yellow. Okay, yellow. The yellow river. All of you repeat after me, beta. The yellow river. Yellow. बोलिए beta. The yellow. All of you, Asha, Inaya, you can repeat now, beta, after me. The yellow river. Inaya, all of you, beta. The yellow river. RIVER. Very good. Once again, YELLOW. Yellow. RIVER. River. The yellow river. Very good. Now next we have over here, we have some more names over here, right? Yes, no, we have the, what it is saying, beta, over here. I also told you before also, right? What did I tell you? Yes, can you see in this blue box, beta? All of you, Azha, Inaya, Ifra, Aisha. Okay, what is written in the yellow blue box, beta? It is saying that when we write, all of you mute your mic for some time and listen to me carefully. Okay, when we write, what it is saying in this blue box, beta, that whenever you write, can you see over here the mountain names? Okay, whenever we write the names of mountains, what do we write? MOUNT, short form we use sometimes. Okay, MOUNT, mount, or MT dot. Can you see over here? Down over here, Wait, I'll show you. I'll zoom in and show you. See, whenever you write the names of mountains, you can use short forms and write. This is the short form of mountain, MT dot, or mount. Okay, MOUNT, mount. This is the short form of mountain. Okay, can you see over here? MOUNT means mountain. Okay, so whenever people write the names of mountain, they use short form. Okay, MOUNT or MT dot. Okay, you can write like that also, the names of mountains. Got my point? Now you can unmute your mic. Have you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, whenever you write mountains, what is the short form you can use?
Mount.
MOUNT, mount, and MT dot. Can you see over here? MT dot. This better. MT dot also you can use. Mount also you can use. Okay, like Mount Everest, Mount Fuji. Okay, we have, right? Yes. Now next, this is the picture showing Niagara Falls. Okay, now look at the next picture, beta. What is this? Okay, where is Niagara Falls?
The tank.
Canada. Okay, it is in Canada. Yes. And can you see how beautiful the water is? Yes. Are you seeing looking at the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see the picture of Niagara Falls? Where is it? In India? Is it in India or Canada?
Canada. No. Canada.
Very good. Now next.
Canada, ma'am.
Very good. What is this, beta? Which picture it is depicting?
The same. London Bridge.
Very good. The river Thames, which is on London Bridge. Very good. You said correctly. Okay. Where is river Thames, beta? This is Thames. Can you see the water? Okay, water. Wherever water is there, that is nothing but river Thames. It is also known as the Thames. Can you see over here? In this picture, we can see many things, right? Tell me what can we see? What is this? What is this? What is this? Tell me.
Clock tower.
Yes, this is Clock Tower or Elizabeth Tower. What is this?
Elizabeth Tower.
Giant wheel, Ferris wheel, I told you, right? And it is known, I didn't I beta, I कहते हैं इसे, okay? This is very famous beta. And what is this blue color portion over here? What is it? Which river? This blue color, what is this river? River Thames. You forgot just now. This is nothing but river Thames, beta. Yes, can you see the blue portion over here? This is nothing but river Thames. Yes, all these things are in London, beta. Okay, river Thames is in London. Yes. Now next, what is this? Yellow River. Yellow River. Just now we read out, right? Yellow River. Okay, where is the Yellow River, beta? The Yellow River is in the country called China. Okay, the Yellow River is in China. Okay, can you see, beta? How long is it? From here, very, very long. Can you see? This is the river, beta. Okay, very, very long. In this picture, it is not visible. But can you see here? This is river, beta. Can you see the brown color part over here? This brown color portion, this is nothing but river. So it is the second longest river in China, Yellow River. Okay, why is it known as Yellow River? Because the water carries silt, sand particles. Okay, silt is nothing but sand. Okay, sand particles. The water carries sand particle, which makes the color brown. The river is, that's why, because of the sand particles, the color of the river is turned into yellow color. That is why it is known as yellow river. The yellow color comes from the sand. Okay, beta? Yes? Can you see the yellowish brown color? This is yellow brown color, yellowish brown color. This is nothing but the water carries sand particles with it, which gives the color to the river yellow. Okay? Have you understood or not? Okay, I'll explain you in my mother tongue also. This is next is the picture of Mount Everest. Okay? Can you see over here? These pictures are showing Mount Everest. Okay, what is the time now? Okay, we have still more time. We'll inshallah discuss it later.